we'll see some everyday acronyms, right? So this is something which you use very casually in day-to-day uh, life, right? So for example, first is please find attached. So whenever you send an email, right? So what happens? You attach some files or something or some other documents, right? Or an image or whatever, right? In that case, you mentioned that PFA, right? So please find attached, right? Whenever you are sending some reports or images or any other references, right? It also is sometimes known as please find the attachment, right? So both can be used interchangeably, but generally PFA is very well known acronym. The next important thing is out of office. So out of office is basically a status, right? Which means that if you see your communicator or let's say Teams channel or something, right? You will have, let's say, available, right? Busy, right? And then maybe in meeting or in presentation. So there are different status. So one of the status is out of office. But when do you use out of office? You use out of office when basically you're not in office, you're on some leaves, right? You're on holiday. So what do? You set your out of office status message and then maybe you are on leave, right? You're not logged in. At the same time, this is also used during the communications. You can also say that I am out of office from, let's say, 17th October, right, till 25th October, right? So basically, you are telling that I am out of office during this duration. Fine. The next acronym is turnaround time. Right, so what does it mean? It helps set realistic expectation for how quickly requests or tickets or tasks will be handled. For example, let's say there is person A, there is person B. You say that when person A is communicating to B, telling that see this is a task, and then that person B has to get back to person A. So what is the turnaround time for B to finish the task? Right, so that is called as turnaround time. This is generally this terminology is used mainly in case of ticket management system when you're raising a ticket, and then what is the turnaround time for the ticket completion, right? So those are the situations when it is used. So you can read here, these acronyms optimize information flow, promote accountability. What is accountability? You assign to a particular person and that person is accountable, is or that person should ensure that particular task is completed. And these are generally supported in agile, right? Agile way of work.